Friends, Dr. Murphy here with my buddies from Utah. They're coming down from Canada, heading back. Okay, here's the quiz. One of the greatest movies of all time, 1969, Motorcycles. What was the name of the movie? Easy Rider.
1969 is way before my time.
Oh, it was. Okay. All right. Can you? You can't name one of the actors in that, right? Peter Fonda.
Peter Fonda. Peter Fonda.
Peter Fonda.
He already
Dennis
gave me that.
Hopper.
I was gonna say.
And this guy is a lot smarter than you guys.
He won't know.
Okay, Peter Fonda, Dennis Hopper, and a famous actor in Easy Rider. Come on, dude, you know who it was.
Easy Rider.
Jack Nicholson.
Oh, really?
Okay,
Okay, I know
okay,
who he is.
guys.
I
You
thought he was in One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest.
well, he was.
That was the first one I saw.